Tired of copying and pasting data from dozens of Excel sheets just to get a simple summary? Today, we're unlocking the power of Excel's Consolidate feature, your secret weapon for effortlessly combining data from multiple sources into one master report, saving you hours of manual work. First, open a new, blank Excel worksheet. This will be your destination, your centralized hub for all your consolidated data. Now, navigate to the Data tab on your Excel ribbon. Look for the Data Tools group, and within it, you'll find the Consolidate button. Click that to open the magic. The Consolidate dialog box appears most of the time. You'll want to use the sum function to add up your data, but Excel offers others like count, average, max, min, and more. Depending on your needs, simply select the desired function from the drop-down. Next, we need to tell Excel where to find the data. Click into the reference box, and then click the Collapse dialog button, the small arrow next to the Browse the File icon. Now, navigate to your first source worksheet containing the data you want to consolidate. Select the entire range of data you wish to include. This could be sales figures, project hours, or anything you're combining. Once you've selected the data, click the Expand dialog button, the icon with arrows pointing outwards, or simply press Enter. You'll see the selected range appear in the reference box. To add this range to your consolidation, click the Add button. Repeat this process for every worksheet and every range of data you need to consolidate. Simply go to the next source, select the data, and click Add. To ensure your consolidated data is properly organized, check the boxes for Use labels in top row and left column. If your source data has headers, this tells Excel how to label your summarized data. For an even more dynamic report, consider checking the Create Links to Source Data box. This automatically updates your consolidated sheet if the original source data changes. Finally, click OK. And there you have it, all your data beautifully combined into a single, organized summary, ready for analysis and reporting. This simple feature will revolutionize how you manage and understand your Excel information.